The Rabbit and Turtle Race Story. This story began from a long time ago in a small jungle village. There was a tiny little turtle passing by a rabbit house. The rabbit saw the tiny little turtle and said, "Do you dare to compete marathon race with me?" The rabbit looked down to the tiny little turtle. The tiny little turtle replied, "All right. I meet you at the marathon tournament race held on the nearby carrot farm." The tiny little smart turtle knew that the greedy rabbit sure will took and eat the carrot from the farm. The Marathon Tournament 2021. Finally, the marathon tournament race day had came. The rabbit and tiny little turtle are ready at the front line. The donkey shout, "Are you ready? Get set and go." The rabbit began to run far ahead from the tiny little turtle, but the tiny little turtle did not give up and continued to chase the rabbit. Reaching the end point. The rabbit passed by the carrot farm with 1 kilometer left away from reaching the end point. The rabbit saw the carrot farm and all of a sudden the rabbit fell hungry and took the carrot from the farm and eat. After had eaten full, the rabbit took a rest and fall in sleep. The tiny little turtle passed by and continued to run closer towards the end point. Too late to regret. When the rabbit woke up and realized that the tiny little turtle already far ahead and almost reached the end point. The rabbit immediately ran and chased the tiny little turtle. But unfortunately, the tiny little turtle already reached the end point and win the tournament. Championship Ceremony. The tiny little turtle wins the marathon tournament with first runner-up and get a gold trophy. The rabbit was sad and regret that looked down to the tiny little turtle. The rabbit apologizes to the tiny little turtle saying that "I'm sorry." The tiny little turtle accepted the rabbit apologize and finally both of them become best friends. The end. Hope you enjoy this video and thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button and don't forget subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos and hope to see you soon.